Welcome to the demo of the 24C feature, Track Affected Object Redlines and Other Updates on Changes. This is available in SCM Product Lifecycle Management. This feature tracks redlines that were made on affected objects, including any redlines made at the component level, as well as any AML updates. It also tracks edits that were made on the change header, tasks, relationships, and security tabs. This allows you to capture additional audit history details so you have a more comprehensive understanding of actions performed on your products and changes, as well as who performed them and when they performed them. This gives you a comprehensive audit trail of updates made to both affected objects and change attributes, and it's available directly on the Change History tab. I'll now show you a quick demo of the new History tab. This is an opt-in feature, and when you opt in, you'll notice that you have a lot more columns that are available. There are, in fact, 10 more columns. The workflow columns, there's different audit types. The ones related to workflow, those were ones that were tracked before. They're now reformatted into this 14-column layout. The change edits, these are new ones that were edits that track edits that were made on the change header, the tasks, relationships, and security tabs. And then we have item redlines, which is new, and it allows you to see what redlines are made on the affected objects. And we'll take a deeper look at those. There's a filter, so I can filter by the audit type, and I can see the item redlines. The status is the status at the time that the history record was written. Author is who performed the redline. And the date that the edit occurred, that is displayed in the logged in user's preferred time zone. We show affected object sequence. For redlines, we have the entity type, which is typically the tab that you redlined, but it also could be the EFF. So PLM marketing prices is marketing and pricing. This is an EFF attribute group, and this is the attribute group name. So looking at this, I can see there were AML redlines done. This is the manufacturer Aerotech and their manufacturer part number. The AML was updated. The status was updated from alternate to preferred. And for TCP manufacturer, their status was updated from preferred to alternate. On the structure, I can see for this component, the quantity was updated from 1 to 2. For bike motor geared, I can see that there was a replace action taken. It was deleted. This one was deleted using replace, and bike motor direct drive was added using replace. So it shows you the old value and the new value, and then it was done doing a replace action. PLM marketing and pricing, this is the EFF. The key is the country in this case. So country USA. MSRP was updated from 1,200 to 1,500, and for Canada was updated from 1,500 to 2,000. For the main attributes, the item description was updated. So you can see you could do any types of filters. You can filter on affected object. You could filter on new value or attribute. And this allows you to get a more targeted view of your redlines. You'll also notice that there are a lot more rows that we're adding to this table because we're tracking so much more information. The most recent edits are at the top, and the oldest ones are at the bottom. We're chunking them in quantities of 25 because there's so many records. You can use the bottom access, you can tab through, or if you wanted to, you could use the export action, and this would export to Excel. So you could do any filters you wanted to, or any analysis on the history table. And this concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.